Hi everyone, so if you're watching this video, you may have failed your driving test recently and are wondering what the best steps to take now to get you ready for the next test. A lot of students think that because they do a test, you can just leave it between the next test and then they'll remember everything. And unfortunately, 9 times out of 10, this never happens. You forget loads, you get to your next test, you get a bit more nervous, you fail again. It's a recurring cycle. Snap out of this cycle. Best way to do that is to, if you fail your test, have another driving lesson the week after, rectify what went wrong on the last test. Keep having driving lessons every week until your next test, even if it's an hour or an hour and a half or a 2-hour lesson every week, and you're going to put yourself in a much better stance to then pass on the next attempt. We've seen it many times over the years where students will fail, then you won't see them for 5-6 weeks, and then they'll have another test booked and they'll have 1 or 2 lessons before the test again, and ultimately they'll fail again. They'll end up spending more money on tests than they would have done on the lessons and then pass the next time. So best advice is keep up with the lessons and you'll pass next time. Thanks, bye.